Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a high-end lotus flower pedestal vase. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass candle holder plates. You're also going to need one of these taper candle holders, and you're going to need a round fishbowl shaped candle holder or mini vase. And I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. If you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.